Okay, I probably shouldn't try to do this all in one go, but I'm going to try and do a simple dialogue tree. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so what do we need for that? First of all, I'm going to do animation blueprint. I'm going to give no, I'm not going to do an animation blueprint. So I'm going to do a bit. We need a character. Do bring in a character. That's the others. BP. I'm going to call it other there. Yes, I just said other. Bring it in there. I'm going to go to the mesh. I'm going to go to the skeletal mesh. I'm going to give it a coin. I think the animation. Actually, I'm going to move this down. Move it down. I don't know why it comes out much bigger than the thing. Really, I think they just make it. It would be the right size. Never mind. Take it down a bit. Take it down. Actually, it's too small. If I remember correctly, take it to that. Actually, it's not that important really for this. Anyway, put it in there. I'm going to give it the animation blueprint. It doesn't always work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but it gives it a bit more of a pose. Whatever. It's not going to be running around. I want a sphere collision. Just going to do this hardwired. Sphere collision. I'm just going to move sphere collision up to there. I'm going to put the radius as that. I'm going to compile and I'm going to save. And then going to make the dialogue. So I'm going to go into here. So dialogue, I need those animation blueprint interfaces that can so BP underscore dialogue file save and then inside that I'm going to give it the function of talking. So this is just what we use to overlap, to talk to each other. So this function thing just saves on a lot of casting. It's kind of a tag really. Dialogue there. You can leave him up. That's a BP third person. I've opened that as well. So I've got those two at the moment. And so obviously to make it work, I need to put it into the class settings up here. Interfaces, add interface, BP dialogue, and there you got the talk. Hopefully, go back to my untitled here. So I may do this in 2 videos actually. I think I've done that right. So now I'm going to go into, like in the third person, you've got to do the thing where when it overlaps, it will set it off. That's the plan. Stan. That's a viewport. Bank graph. I've already got aim and move now as well. Okay. So I need to put. I need to put E key. So you want to press the E key. E. Although you could just do it automatically actually, but because it's just a box. But do it this way. You should do it in the enhanced input system, but just for simplicity's sake, where is the E key? Oh, there it is. E key. Cool. So you need to, for each loop, basically every time it happens, you want it to loop through for each loop. Not with a break, just for each loop here. I then want to get overlapping actors. Get overlapping actors. And it's that, the one that we saw, what did we make it? BP other. So, so it's the character one. Anything of that class. I don't know if you should make it character class. Anyway, I'll find out. Also, it's an array, so it just means there's more than one. So remember the array, you either got single or array. And then what about the array element? So the array element is, has it got an interface in? So does it implement interface? It is an object. And the interface is that BP dialog thing, BP dialogue. So it's just saying if it overlaps, make it, it's got that interface, talk to it. Branch it out. Array element. No, not there. That's right. Forget that one, Anton. Because I want the array element, I want to call it. So I want to call the talk. So in a way, yeah, it's just, this is, you call the dialogue as a message. And yes, you do. Element talk like that. Condition is this. If it's got that, then talk to it. So that's all that. Fantastic. And then going to quickly, the last thing we're going to make is a widget blueprint. Once again, because we need to bring it up in the HUD. UI widget blueprint. Use the widget blueprint. I'm going to call this what, like widget blueprint underscore convo. So they're talking to each other. Save convo. Need a canvas. I'm going to put like backing to it. And then I'm going to put the text box in. Not block though. If you come up here as well, so you want to make that a variable because you're going to call it. We're not doing the binding thing. I'm just going to call it text. There, like that. So, and I'm just going to bring that down to here. And I'm going to make it a bit bigger, like that. Bigger like that. And then I'm going to bring this down to here. Make this bigger as well, like that. And I'm going to put that there. Then I'm going to make this. What am I going to make this black? Okay, so now you need to just anchor everything. Actually, anchor each one separately. There's probably a way of doing this without doing them separately, but unfortunately, old school. And then my text box is a bit off center here. Let's put that there. Bring that down to there. Bring that to there. Bring that to there. I'm going to compile it. I'm going to save it. So hopefully, whatever text it is will be called. So I don't really need to type anything into that at the moment. So that's that done. So I've got all my blueprints done. So the last bit is I'm going to go into the character blueprint and I'm going to do a bit of a long bit of coding. But just quickly to say, it's going to come off the event talk. It's not that long, but I am going to have a break for a second just in case it goes wrong.